Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to enable mouse click sounds on Windows 11. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to go into your search bar and you're going to search for control panel right there. Okay, once control panel opens here in category view by, you're going to click on large icons. Okay, so in large icons you're going to search for sound right here. Click on that. Okay, in sounds you're going to go into sounds right here. Okay, then you're going to scroll down and find for select right here. Okay, so in select you can choose whatever sound you want. Okay, so I'm going to choose for Windows navigation start right here. Okay, and then you can test the sound right here. And once you choose your preferred sound, you can just click on apply, okay, and it should fix the you should have mouse click sounds in Windows 11. So that's all for this video guys. I hope it helped, and yeah, thanks for watching folks.